My heart is cold as Wisconsin. Ice. Nigga, I'm smooth like Johnson. Lotion. You already know how I'm coming. I treat her like trash, so I dumped them. In them sheets, I am a monster. She be screaming like a concert. I point them out just like a hunter. They call you a G when you younger. My heart is cold as Wisconsin. Ice. Nigga, I'm smooth like Johnson. Lotion. You already know how I'm coming. I treat her like trash, so I dumped them. In them sheets, I am a monster. She be screaming like a concert. I point them out just like a hunter. They call you a G when you younger. Everybody watching this video right now, follow me on Instagram. I appreciate it. Enjoy the video. Cari crew, what it do, man? It's your boy Cari Beats back with another POV, as y'all can see, man. Like I said at the beginning of my video, make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you are new. Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from your boy. You know what I'm saying? As y'all can tell by the title and the thumbnail, man, I added something new to the whip. I'm gonna show y'all later on in the video, but right now you know what I'm saying? I'm doing a little POV right now. But I will get out and show y'all, you know, the video. I said the video. I will get out and show y'all the splitter, man. You know what I'm saying? Once I stop somewhere. But as of right now, I'm just finna do a little POV. You feel me? But hey, man, I've been seeing y'all rocking with the last video, bro. The last video I posted, you know what I'm saying, sliding and everything like that. You know what I'm saying? My bad. I was reading that sign that dude over there. Look at the Camaro. The Camaro right here. But yeah, man. I see y'all been rocking with the video, man. The last video I posted, man. Make sure y'all keep running that up if you haven't watched it already, you know what I'm saying? Make sure if you are new watching my channel, bro, you haven't watched none of my older videos, y'all go back and watch, bro. It's the reason why, you know what I'm saying, I'm at where I'm at. I've been posting some pretty decent vids for the most part, you know what I'm saying? You know, you always gonna have somebody that's gonna troll or say otherwise, because you can't please everybody. But, you feel me? For the most part, man, I don't do pretty bad, you know what I'm saying, if I do say so myself. You know what I'm saying? So, make sure y'all tap in with your boy. But I really don't know what kind of, it's not a specific POV drive. I just really wanted to show y'all boys the splitter. You know what I'm saying? You hunting the horn and shot it. I really just wanted to show y'all the splitter I put on, but obviously I'm gonna need more minutes. I can't just show y'all the splitter and, you know what I'm saying, that's it. So, therefore I'm giving y'all boy this nice, lovely POV drive, you know what I'm saying? But ain't gonna be nothing too crazy though, something smooth, something slight. Turn the air off. Might as well got the window down. Oh, the sprinklers on. Let me get in the road. I ain't trying to get wet. But yeah, man. But y'all comment down below, man, what other mods y'all would like to see on the whip, you know what I'm saying? Y'all just comment and interact with your boy, man, you know what I'm saying? What y'all like to see next on the whip? I done put the front splitter, you know what I'm saying? Obviously, I got the wicker bill, the diffuser, the tail light tint, you know what I'm saying? Tail light tint, the tint itself, you know what I'm saying? The stripes, the rims. I will paint the brakes soon. I will be painting the brakes soon, bro. I really been BSing. I really have, I ain't gonna lie. I really could, bro, I just thought about some car. I forgot I could have been painted the brakes, bro. Like, all jokes aside, I really could have been painted the brakes, bro. I just gotta go get the rest of the paint. I got one can, you know what I'm saying? Somebody blessed me with, but I gotta get another one. That can not even full. That can it may get like one brake, maybe two. Like 1.5 brakes. It'll fully coat one, and then the second brake, it probably need, like, you know what I'm saying, some more. So yeah, I gotta figure out where to get it from. I mean, I know, but right now I can't think right now. But we're gonna do that too, man. Brakes gonna get painted, the master, you know what I'm saying, the pinstripes. That gonna look hard with the 5-spoke though. That gonna look hard, you know what I'm saying. But I ain't washed my car in a week. No, not in a week. I ain't washed my car all month.
I ain't gonna lie. Since like the first week of July, I ain't washed my car, bro. I gotta turn the air back on, but I don't see how far ride with the window down and know it without the AC on, bro. And they be sitting still. That is crazy. That's too hot. Oh, boy, I just jumped. I thought a dragonfly was finna get in my car. I was finna psych out. I was finna psych out, car, bro. Psych out, boy. I was like, boy, I do not like flying insects, boy. I don't like none, but the flying one definitely. But yeah, man. But yeah, I'm gonna do the brakes, so that's gonna be coming soon. I'm glad I said that because I forgot. To be honest, bro, I've been procrastinating so long with that. I could have been did it. It's just I've been procrastinating. But since I said that, I might do that this week, so y'all stay tuned. I might get that done this week. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, y'all comment down below what other mods y'all like to see, man. I know y'all probably want performance mods. Obviously, yeah, that's gonna be later on down the line. You know what I'm saying? If I don't pursue a Hellcat by time, you know what I'm saying? I'd be like, okay, it's over with. I'm not paying this money for a cat, you know what I'm saying? Right now, I can't get one right now, technically. Where do I want to go? Some telling me to go that way a little bit, I ain't gonna lie. I see a scat right there. Little Chally. Hell raising. I see it. Well, clean. Shout out to the scat boys. And it's a 1320. Ooh. Look at that 1320. He lame. Old nigga. Old nigga all be lame. He looking dead at me. I did like this. And I'm showing him the camera so he can hit it. He just gonna keep looking. Guess his glasses can't see me, I guess. But yeah, man. Brakes will be getting painted soon, man. I might do that this week, I ain't gonna lie. While I got the time to do it, I might well go ahead and do it, bro. I might well go ahead and do it, dog. But I gotta get the Brembo sticker to put back on there, but I don't got it right now. I'm just gonna paint them for right now, though. You know what I'm saying? They're just gonna be yellow. It don't really matter, as long as they're yellow. Or gold, I mean. But as long as they, you know what I'm saying, as long as they're yellow, / gold. That girl mad. I ain't know her window down. Oh well. But yeah, man. Like I was saying, on my fault, I keep getting sidetracked. But yeah, the brakes, you know what I'm saying? Y'all just comment down below what y'all like to see, man. Cosmetic wise. You can say performance wise too. I know y'all probably gonna say headers, or what everybody keeps saying. Put headers on it. You know what I'm saying? Cam, stuff like that. Headers is an option. I just gotta find somebody that I can trust to do it. You feel me? Other than myself. But I gotta find somebody I can trust to do it. You feel me? So we're gonna see how that go. But we're gonna hold off on that for a little bit. Brakes, bro, I wish I can hear these pops as good as I can hear them, bro. Like, I know I hear them a little bit, but bro, like, they is insane. But yeah, man, I keep getting sidetracked hard. It's my fault. I hate when I do that, because they make it seem like I just don't know what I'm talking about. But I do know what I'm talking about. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah. But, yeah, man. Brakes, front splitter, you know what I'm saying? Wicker bill, lights, rims. pretty much got, you know what I'm saying, the little small stuff. Stick 'em. Little baby stick 'em, you know what I'm saying? Little baby stick 'em. But yeah, you know what I'm saying? Most stuff gonna be coming soon though. You know what I'm saying? The little small detail, you know, the simple touches make the biggest impact, you know what I'm saying, when you look at the whip. You ain't gonna pay attention to it at first, but when you really do get that chance to pay attention, you're gonna be like, hey, well, okay then, you know what I'm saying? I see the detail of my butt, you know what I'm saying? Just like the splitter. The splitter wasn't a big, like, it's not a big, you know what I'm saying, touch. But when you notice it, you're gonna be like, okay, you feel me? Cause that splitter gonna give you that aggressive look in the front. I already got the aggressive look in the back. I needed that aggressive look in the front, you know what I'm saying? So y'all comment down below and I'll show y'all, you know what I'm saying, how y'all liking it, you feel me? So make sure y'all make it this far to the video, you feel me? I'm finna go to a gas station somewhere where I can pull over at, you know what I'm saying, and show y'all Olivia, show the new little touch. Well, yeah, this is just a little cool POV, bro. Ain't nothing too crazy. You know what I'm saying? I'm making a little noise for y'all as always. My car gonna always do that. But you know, I ain't going wicked. But they're gonna be coming too. Y'all comment down below too, man. If y'all wanna see videos, obviously with other people, but like, you know what I'm saying, how I'm doing a POV right now driving. You know what I'm saying? I got other folks with me to, you know what I'm saying, to entertain y'all, you feel me? I might go to this gas station. This is a gas station we always be at. I might go to this one. I don't know if I want to, but I might. Cause it's a nice little scenery. The gas station be dead. The gas station be too dead. I go right here. Cause this should be a good look for y'all. Or do y'all want me to face the sun? Cause I don't know, it's like the sun facing to the right. I don't know, I'm finna back up. I'm gonna show y'all Olivia, man. Let me know what y'all think. I mean, I rock with it. I mean, even though it's gloss black, I ain't think about that. It still look good, but I'm like, dang, I ain't got no gloss black on my car. I got satin black and carbon fiber. I don't got no gloss black beside the window being shiny, but other than that, I ain't got no gloss, man. I'm gonna cut the car though. Let me turn back to my. I'm turning the lights on though, so y'all gonna see how she look the lights on. Ooh. Man, if you made it this far to the video, you're a real one. You know what I'm saying? If you made it this far to the video, you're a real one. But yeah, man. Dang, y'all can't even see it for real. I know I should have faced the sun, but y'all see. You know what I'm saying? Y'all see, man. New lip on Liv, you feel me? Dang, I should have faced the other way. I'm gonna have to face the other way, bro. But hopefully y'all can see it pretty good. You know what I'm saying? You'll see it, man. Nice little front lip on Big Liv. Nice little front lip, man. But yeah, man. I just want to show y'all. Olivia. The outside of all the new people watching. This is Olivia. You feel me? Yes, I call my car Olivia. People keep asking. Like, you know what I'm saying? I don't know. People just be acting like they're weird. It's not weird. But at the same time, in my car, so I don't know what y'all want me to say. I don't know what y'all want me to say. But as y'all can see, man, this is her. You know what I'm saying? So I just want to show y'all that front lip. Let me know what y'all think about the front lip. I already posted pictures on Instagram already. So y'all let me know how y'all like this though. I think it's a cool little touch. I just gotta keep adding more stuff to it though. I do gotta watch this too though, so whenever I watch it, then she's gonna look way better. But for right now, you know what I'm saying? But for right now, it's just whatever. And I'm watching my surroundings, so my bad. Sorry, dude. I'm watching my surroundings, so that's why I keep, you know what I'm saying, stopping in the middle of my conversation. And I'm sweating. I'm sweating. What's up, man? Well, yeah, man. Y'all see what's going on, but that's pretty much gonna be a wrap for today's video. You know what I'm saying? I just really want to show y'all my splitter. You know what I'm saying, on the wheel. Y'all let me know what y'all think. I'll give y'all one more look. One more good look, man. Give y'all one more good look. A big lid. But y'all let me know what y'all think, man. If y'all like it or not. I mean, it's already on here, but it is what it is. But if y'all think it's a good touch or not, I think it is. I mean, it's a splitter. The splitter look good on almost any car. Almost any car, you know what I'm saying? Depending on what you got did to it, how you gonna make it look. But the splitter gonna always give it that aggressive look that you want. So can't go wrong with the splitter, man. And shout out to my boy, AJ. You know what I'm saying? My boy AJ put me up with the splitter, man. I know you watching the video eventually. I appreciate you, my boy. You know what I'm saying? You be coming through for a nigga, man. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate you, nothing but love. You know what I'm saying? We locked in. We locked in for sure, bro. You know what I'm saying? Life gonna get better and better. You know what I'm saying? Niggas gonna get richer and richer. We all gonna be eating real soon, bro. We all gonna be eating. You know what I'm saying? Car. I gotta start back manifesting, man. I don't be manifesting like I'm supposed to. I do, but I don't say it out loud. You know what I'm saying? It's always can think it, but you gotta say it, bro. That's how you believe it, but you keep saying it, and you keep hearing it. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, man. But I ain't gonna keep talking out here, though. I wanna show y'all my splitter and stuff. Cool little POV drive. Hopefully y'all like this video, man. Hit that subscribe button. Get your boy to 15K the quick way, man. And, you know what I'm saying? I'm out here grinding, man. I'm working, bro. I'm trying my best. Giving y'all every little thing I can do. Being consistent as much as I can, regardless if the content gonna hit or not. I'm being consistent, bro. Y'all respect the grind. You gotta respect any man grind, bro. Especially when he's doing something that ain't negative. You know what I'm saying? I can be doing anything else to make bread. I can be doing anything else to make myself smile. You know what I'm saying? Anything that y'all may not agree with. But I can do it, but I don't. You know what I'm saying? Trying to do something positive, show a little motivation to the folk, man. You know what I'm saying? So, y'all get your boy right, man. Get your boy right. But, like I said at the end of my video, man, you got a goal you're trying to achieve, any kind of accolade, any kind of milestone. Do that milestone, do that goal, man. The sky's the limit, and you can touch it through. And like I say, also, at the end of my video, man, keep God first, keep him in the mix. You know what I'm saying? Stay prayed up, man. Do what you got to do. Stay positive the best way you can. You know what I'm saying? Keep that sanity, bro. We need it. Have that faith, have that hope, have that confidence. You know what I'm saying? To do what you got to do in life to be successful. And also, man, like I also said at the end of my videos, I'm out of here like yesterday. Peace.